don't care. Stop. Okay. Oh my goodness. Nothing's loading. Oh. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Oh, there we go. We're good. We're so good. Welcome everyone. Hope you guys had a good long weekend. Um, we're back. We're back and I'd like to say better than ever. Uh, like my indicators aren't loading. Where are my indicators? They all gone? Okay, guys, things are not loading and I'm not a big fan of it. I'm not gonna lie. What the heck? Very fresh. Hey. Oh, yo. Okay. Oh, we're so back. Whoa. Whoa. Wait, why are we going back in time? Is this something to do with Jake's indicator? Yo. We're going back in time. How's it possible? Oh, I need to take a picture. This is funny. Let me send it to Jake. Let's see if it loads like that for the other ones. Oh, no, it's normal. Oh, it's just a 6 hour one. Okay, cool. Cool. Let's see what we're looking at now. It seems we're quite bearish right off open. Where's NWOG? Sorry guys, I've been a little rushed today to get to my desk. So, oh my goodness, this new product thing is so annoying. Got it. Please stop. Okay. So, we do have a higher time frame. Sequential SMT. Let's drop it 4 hour. It's just previous week high. Let me ask Jake to fix this indicator. Wouldn't quite. It need to pull up for me to take any sort of short. So I do not want to really take anything. Like if it's gonna go long, I need some SMTs. If we're gonna go short, it's gonna need to pull back quite a bit. So I might not have much today, but we'll keep an eye out on this. Give me a sec. It is busy. Yeah, mine is also doing that just on the 6 hour. Okay, resuming trading next week, bro. That's fair. That's fair. I mean, take a week off if you need to, man. It's not like they have to, they're gonna force you back, right? You're your own boss, so it's the beauty of it, really. Does it work? Not a big fan. Okay, don't do anything then. I low-key want to start new. I was thinking about starting new challenges, but there's no discounts running right now, so I don't really care to. I'm fine with just trading my funded account right now, my other funded account. I have a funded account with it's sim brokerage right now, but with TFD. So I'm fine with just trading that for now, but I do want to open up some top steps again. I wouldn't mind, but there used to be a discount code -25, but for some reason it's not working for me anymore. I need to ask. see, not much happening. It's expired. I think I was trying to use it today too. Come on, cut that move down. I'm done for the day. Lambo in December. Good luck, Aaron. I hope Lambo's not the first thing you get when you make some bag, but let's hope. And maybe you just make so much that it's just like pocket change. Who knows? Um, it's expired. I think. Yeah, I no. Last night I was checking the code and it literally worked last night. If yesterday was the last day, I'm gonna be actually so cheesed. But it's okay. It's fine. I'm in no rush. I'm in no rush to do challenges. Challenges are not really that fun, to be honest. I mean, you shouldn't be doing it for fun anyways. But let me see. Yeah, I'll ask some people in the Discord too and see what they think. If there is actually something there. Uh, yeah, I think the code might be gone. I'm gonna be sad, but whatever. Am I looking for a buy? Right now we're very bearish. If I were to look for a buy, it wouldn't be that like I wouldn't be targeting that high. So like max or target previous 90-minute high or until Asia Open, which is pretty high actually. Asia Open is um, over here, pretty much the top of the move. But I don't think we're hit Asia Open today. We're so displaced far down. I think we're gonna leave this new week opening gap or new week opening level untapped, unfilled until at least a little bit later, maybe later in the week, because we are so far away. But doesn't mean it's impossible. There is news today. But if I were to take a long, I'd at least need like a 90-minute sweep on liquidity, right? Which is the 5-minute chart here, which we do not have. So it's kind of a hard position. I'm honestly looking for nothing right now, and I'm not sure if that makes sense to you, but like let's say we're looking for lower, we're too low to look for lower for now. I need some sort of move up, maybe create a 90-minute sequential SMT on the highs to look for lower, right? And if I were to look for higher, right, I have no SMTs on the lows, right? Like 15-minute previous session low wiped out, right? Previous day low wiped out, and previous month low, previous week low is wicked out and traded through on ES and traded through on NQ. So it's kind of a tough position. It's honestly like wait for 9:30 to clear things out. I'm sorry I can't give you like a definitive answer, but that's just what the market looks like to me, right? And sometimes no like if you just don't have like if I don't have an answer for you, that means like if you are trading the same way I'm trading, at least I don't know if you have a different model or different way you trade, but if you're trading the same way as me, that means you just tie your hands around your back and just wait, no touching buy or sell, right? Wait until things clear up. Oh, you are in a trade? No, I'm not in a trade. That is not what I said, Talk. Come on, Talk. That's not what I said. That is the opposite of what I said. The absolute opposite of what I said. Man, I just want to start some Top Step evals, but the discount code isn't there. And I don't want to buy a full price for no reason. I already have a funded account, so it's not like I'm like. But would it be nice? Yeah. No worries, Talk. My bad, my bad. You good, bro. Come on. Code work. Failed to apply coupon. Ah. All good. Let's see. Top step coupons. Yo, my internet geeking, bro. What the heck? Code information. Let me actually ask the top step. Top step. Top step lobby. Is that chat? Is dash 25 code still working? Still available? Question mark. Question mark. Where can Bryce go? We also have 10 a.m. news, by the way. But is it just gonna send it? Let's see. Looks like it's just sending it. Oh. Oh, it ended on the 31st. Oh. 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 Oh no, it ended on the 31st. That's fine. Whatever. It's a sign. It is a sign for me to not get top step accounts. At least right now. Oh, here we go. Wowzers. Wowzers, pronouncers. Do we tap liquidity pools? Let's see. Oh, we did. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Left that there. Put that kilo there. This swing low is here. Boom, boom. Let's go back out. Looks like we're just going. Loki with all the invalidations, it looks like I was like pretty. I won't say obvious, but I would be leaning more that the open would go down than up. I'm pretty sure that's what a lot of people would think. But there's nothing for me to get in. The $1 accounts would go. Yeah, I missed those, bro. I think when I first got into Top Steps, I got in because there was like a 80% deal or something, 90% off. They never do promos like that anymore. It's all good. It's all good. Zen. It's all good. And I was not profitable back then, man. I was not consistent back then. I wish I was consistent back then. Was yeah, like a million X. Well, if I was like more disciplined back then, oh my goodness, would have been so much value. The value for the drawdown would have been crazy. But that's fine. That's fine. That's okay. That's okay. Let me get off the Top Step dashboard. I don't want it anymore. Give me the discount or I don't want it. Should I just beg in their Discord? No, I'm kidding. It's like literally like 25%. It's like it saved me like $5, like $10 on a 50K account. It's not a huge deal. I just want to maximize. You know, I'm not sure if I can say this. You know, I'm Asian. You know, I'm trying to get them coupons. You know what I'm saying? I ain't paying full price. We won't pay full price for that. You know what I'm saying? Come on now. Uh, okay, cool. Dang, dash 25 code's gone though. I can't believe I missed it by like 2 days though. That's actually pretty insane to me, at least. Pretty nuts. Pretty freaking nuts, man. Pretty freaking heckin' nuts. 94 notes. So would you only look for shorts above the 50% IU premium? Most likely, as long as there's SMTs on the highs, but probably at least a previous session high. What's the best way to find the promo codes when they drop? Usually in the Discord. Usually in the Top Step Discord. Sometimes they promote it on like advertisements, but it's usually on the Discord. You use precision swing points because we might get a 5-minute precision. I do use precision swing points, but not as often as I should, I guess. Or like I don't put too much weight to it. It's extra confidence for me. I don't like put my whole soul and life onto it, you know. This close is a good close, to be honest. I would look for like higher prices here, low key. But just like temporarily, not too not too crazy on this one. Let's see where this can go. I don't know if this can go much higher, but we'll see. We'll just let it so is there a 5-minute SMT now? There's a 5-minute SMT on the lows. If this creates a 5-minute change in state delivery, I think it'd be worth a low risk stab. If I had evals, I'd just do evals, but I don't have evals. Gosh darn it. All good. Dang, Asia's crazy high actually. Game ticket to Asia. NQ looks decent so far, but there's nothing else following. I don't know if it's good. Honestly, it like if you were to take a step, it'd have to be a low risk step. To me, at least. Just in terms of aura flow, though, there's no. I mean, there's 5-minute SMT, so 5-minute SMT on NQ with this change in state delivery, not the worst, but you have better confluence when there's change in state delivery on all 3 markets. So, take at your own risk, I guess. 90-minute might get taken. Yes, 90-minute might get taken just on NQ, and then maybe we'll see lower prices, but we'll see. Do you trade any differently when you're trying to pass an eval? Yeah, I actually got. I don't want to announce it yet, but I just had an idea. Let me know if you guys like this idea. Hear me out on this idea. So I used to trade differently on eval. So I used to just trade it usually, and it's pretty okay. Like if on a 50K account, risk like $500 and aim for like 1,500, right, on Top Step at least. But I want to challenge myself, and let me know if you guys are interested. To because this is how I trade on my other funded account right now. It's like super like disciplined. I have a daily loss limit, like as everyone should, in my opinion. But I have a daily loss limit, right? And like I'm just gonna take like really like it's gonna be like risking $150 per trade. It's gonna take me a while to pass it, but it's gonna like just show like discipline and scaling up over time, right? So that's I want challenge I want to do to like scale up 50K accounts and see how far I can get it, to be honest. So if you guys are interested in that, I would love to do something like that. Um, but yeah, normally I do trade them a lot differently, low key. But uh, I want to challenge myself. Where's the 5-minute SMT? So wick to body. So 5-minute here. On NQ it looks good, but on the other markets it looks like it doesn't want to budge. But here you go. This 90-minute low closed below on YM and ES, but not on NQ. There you go. See that. NQ just going. NQ would have been the one to take it, huh? I guess. But it's all good. That would be very nice to watch. Yep, same. Okay, yeah, I'll do that, and I'll just show you guys like my like actual like top step screen, and yeah, it's gonna be a long series though because I'm not just two bullet passing it, but I think it's a thing that like if you haven't passed your first eval or if you haven't gotten your first payout, it's something you should do. Like I feel like it's something that anyone should do. So I think it's good, and if you guys like want to follow along too, if you guys trade a different method though, I recommend just sticking to your strategy, right? But um, following the same similar pacing, right? Like you're just following your rules, you following your risk, even though it's an eval. I know, guys, but I think it's really good to get in your head. Like you might have those losing days where you hit the daily loss limit, and you just close the charts, and you're like, okay, that's that, right? And you really get you gotta really get used to that feeling, right? Not the best feeling in the world, but uh, it's just how it is sometimes. I think this is like it's not bad long, but it's just really it's gonna be very choppy. Like it's not gonna be let's see, can you even get 2R from this? Yeah, you get 2R. Okay. Yeah, it'd be like a very choppy long if you were to take this. But not the worst idea in my opinion. Or you can wait until it taps back into the order block potentially. This order block right here. Right here. Right. Oh, I guess it already did. But you know. And remember guys, it's also 10 a.m. news, so proceed with caution. I got my first play with Top's account, then I blew it trying to pass 2 accounts and be more disciplined. Yeah, that's fair. I feel like it's like each step, like it's just how it is. Like you blow so many evals, and then you pass your first eval, and then you blow your first funded account before even getting a payout, and then you do go back and do it again, and then and then after you get your first payout, you blow your account again, and it's like I feel like it's a you're not alone. You're not alone, brother. Me too. Uh, obviously there's some rare cases. Don't I don't doubt. Everyone's journey is slightly bit different, but in general, it is a very common thing to happen. So just don't stop, man. Don't stop. Don't give up. Honestly, I think I'm starting to more interest, lose interest in this idea more. The less it continues to displace up because it's almost about to be 10 a.m. news. And once it becomes 10 a.m. news, it's not going to be as pretty, you know? So I want to see some sort of displacement up um, on at least two of the markets, at least ES and NQ. But if not, then it's pretty ugly. I don't like how this has no wick too on here. But, um, and we'll see. NQ was the best one to trade today, though. I will say, just looked like the cleanest. But um, we'll see. I don't like how it's just chopping here. I can see like 10 a.m. just go down, wick like this idea out, and then just continue. So I'd like to see some sort of displacement, some gaps. Even on the 1 minute would be nice before 10 a.m. Right? That'd be the most ideal situation. Are you a fan of Apex? No, I'm not a fan of Apex. I think I would eventually give it a try, but I don't want to just blow like okay, when I think this idea kind of applies to any prop firm account you're using though, but you have to be just prepared to just even if you're doing well and you know how to trade, to just have that money all go down the drain, even if you're doing well, because uh, there has been like sometimes where people get denied payouts for interesting reasons. I'd say there's sometimes where, especially if you're doing copy trading, like it's just like the accounts get blown for like certain reasons that like just don't make sense, and they have had some like suspicious stuff in the past. So that's my main reasoning. But um, like if you have the like the extra cash and you don't mind losing it all, I think it's worth it because you can scale pretty far with it. But other than that, I'm not a huge fan of them. But people have gone payouts. Um, I don't believe that they don't give out payouts. They definitely do give out payouts, but uh, definitely not the most ideal. I'd say the least. There's many prop firms I'd go to before them. Appreciate the kind words. Yeah, no worries. Like I would choose Top Step or my funded futures over them, pretty much like any day. But like when you have like the 90% off or was it 99% off whatever deal, honestly it's not bad. Like if you just want to like just do it for the heck of it, you still have to pay activation fees, remember. So if you're doing 20 accounts, like 50K, that's like $1,000, something like that. Like you have to be willing to drop that, right? MQ looks good. Continues to look good. It's good to see. Okay, what's this? 8 a.m. So 8 a.m. candle. 8 a.m. candle. I see. Okay, my charts just froze. That's not nice. That's not so kind, sir. So now we have a 5 minute and 1 minute SMT on the lows, but I'm still not like this wouldn't be a bad target, but I'm still not the biggest fan of this move. Like even if you are in this move, just be cautious. Um, not a big fan of it, but it still looks like it may play out. So if we get 90-minute SFT, would you be looking for shorts or just looking for this buy? I'll just be looking at this buy and be done for the day, to be honest, with the displacement overnight. If this buy is the case, like if this is the move. Of course, you'd want to see, yes, this place above this high, and then just gonna move any higher for YM to be moving as well. But it doesn't. It looks like, I feel like you should be out by previous 90-minute high or even less than that. But we'll see. See where price takes us. It's looking pretty good. Just let it run. And that would be, if you're in an NQ, I would at least take off like 60% of my 60% of my position here. And next you can just trail along to Asia, but I would take off like 60% of my position at previous 90-minute. Just because of the bearish displacement we've had, just to be rather secure your profits than be stupid, right? And I mean, 2R is not bad at all. So see, 60%. Say our limit, just in case 10 a.m. news hits, it just boom, and then goes down. Not a bad idea, but up to y'all's plan. That's 60% off. So we're green. I'd go 60% off and then go break even. At this point, wait, let's see this 15-minute close at least. Not yet, not break even yet. But I would take 60% off here. It'd be nice to see this change in state delivery for ES and YM as well. That's what I'd like to see. Here we go, from this 5-minute candle at least. So as long as we can all get it, doesn't look terrible to continue to hold. But you already took 60%, so you guys are already like chilling. And even if you got worse entry, you still got like 1.6R, maybe 1.8R, which is not horrible. Preferably, I like to go at least 2 or more. So we'll sit and wait on that. 20 seconds for this closure. And also, if this 15-minute closes above this order block, that'd be nice too. So YM needs to close above these two candles. ES on these two, and NQ has already closed above it because NQ's just Giga Chad. I did take this trade on ES. I'll say that. I just like that we're at a lower because NQ already started moving a little too quick for me. Would you be looking for shorts or just looking at just? Oh, and I already answered that. Pretty sure. So now we just chill, bro. Hands off, guys. Even better, because it's the most ideal situation in the world, but who knows if we actually get it, is YM and ES close above 90-minute high before this 10 a.m. news. But we shall see. I'm also break even, so if it does just turn around all the way down, I'm out and I'm done for the day, to be honest. I don't want to be a part of that. If that is the case. There's so many no wicks on this way down. I hope it just takes all that liquidity, but we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. If you're on NQ, you're already up. So come on, guys, get up there. What's up, yo? What's good, that band? Oh, 90-minute high sequential SMT with 5-minute precision candle. If that's a setup, I would like to see a 1-minute sequential SMT as well. But with the way we're displacing right now and making these 5-minute gaps, I wouldn't really trade against that now, pretty much. Maybe if we get a retrace, and then, but yeah, to be honest, not too excited for this kind of. Not too excited for shorts anymore, at least for now. Oops. Oops, what did I just click? Wait, why is there no wick on the... Oh, I changed this to I am. Oops. That makes a lot of sense. Is it this one? CME, I should be. Okay. 10 a.m. news. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I get destroyed or it goes well. Full party one. Either be liquidity or... Either be liquidity or take liquidity. Yeah, pretty much. Dog eat dog world. Pretty much. But, I don't know. I don't know. I'm break even. Whatever. Obviously, ideally TP, but I'm risk free. Now keep in mind there is a 90-minute high SMT in the highs, but there's no confirmation for me or yeah, anything for me to look for lower prices, right? Just not 5-minute, 1-minute stacked SMT, just not 5-minute SMT, sequential SMT with 5-minute change of state delivery, so that keeps me sidelined. I just hope this like doesn't whip too hard. I do think we need to go higher, but I just hope this 10 a.m. doesn't whiplash my neck, bro. But we'll see. Possible, but not ideal. $30 seconds. I'd probably be targeting this equilibrium. This range. That's what I'm looking at right now. I'm seeing if we can take that at least. Now let's see if I get cooked. See if I'm see if I'm cooking or getting cooked. Boom. Boom, pow. Boom, pow, pow, pow. I like how they're moving together. I don't like how NQ doesn't have a bottom wick. But hey man, you can't have it all, I guess. You see this 5-minute close above this 90-minute high. That would be extremely ideal. Honestly, I've been trading like minis, and I'm not a big fan of it anymore. Because I wish I could. I wish I could partial. I would partial if I could. But apparently I can't. Gosh darn. Partially would be extremely optimal. Is NQ gonna create that wick and continue higher together? Maybe. 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 We'll see. With that displacement over night, this is kind of expected for it to be a struggle on the way up. If it is going to continue up, but we'll see. Wick. It all has a wick. Nice. Man, I just want this 90-minute high to be invalidated. Let's see. Let's see how many years we're gonna have to wait for that. I'm still break even. Break even, Steven. Literally nothing to trail to. If you're on NQ and this closes above this wick, then you have something to trail to. I'm a big fan of that NQ reaction, but I still don't have a change in state delivery. Excuse the flushing. Or anything that's telling me otherwise. There's a 5-minute SMT. Let's see if there's a 1-minute sequential SMT on the highs. There is not. Okay. So let's say 10 a.m. news did nothing. Yippee. Let's just wait. By the way, if NQ closes below this fair value gap, I'd probably get out no matter which market you're in, because that's a true market structure shift. Right here, wait, right, with the 5-minute sequential SMT. Right, so keep that in mind. Would you look for a short if there's a true market structure shift? I would probably just hop off and take my profits. That's I mean that's not, no, I will just hop off and take my profits, because with the overnight expansion I don't want to just continue to trade, to be honest. I don't think I'd want to take more trades. Just this is more discretion. Objectively, if you see the model and you still have a bullet, I would say go for it. Yes, go for it. But just for myself, just my discretion, I don't want to. It's more of like a feeling and maybe experience kind of thing. Because I know even the smallest things can lead me to start building bad habits, right? Or going down a tunnel, maybe over trading, revenge trading, right? So that would already, like, I'm just like, I'm done for the day. I made profit, like just be happy, you know? um, yeah. But honestly, if there's a model, you take it, take it. And you have a bullet and you like feel comfortable, it's a part of your plan, right? Um, for me, evaluating market conditions, I would not want to take another bullet. So that's why. And everyone can look at market conditions differently, right? Someone's model is maybe a 1 to 2 hour scalp model. It looks perfect for them. Oh, this is a perfect setup. But to me, it's like, oh, it's moving slow, it's chopping. I'm trading like almost like counter trend, right, with the expansion overnight. So that's why I'm like, not feeling like a little uneasy, not the best, you know. So that's just my personal thoughts on that. I hope that helps. But yeah, if there's a model for you guys. That's the one that it looks like. It does look quite interesting, I can't lie. YM's chilling though, apparently. For some reason. YM's big chilling. It'd be even extra confluence if the other markets create that market structure shift as well. But honestly, that would be enough for me to hop off because of the fact of the displacement down already overnight. So where's midnight? Look for midnight real quick. Oh, midnight's all the way back here. Okay, never mind. What the heck? What the heck?
All right, no confirmation from me yet. It's gonna be at least another 5 minutes for confirmation. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. All right, guys, I'm back. What's happened? Oh, wow, nothing. All right. If price still looks like this, I'm gonna hop off at 10:30. But you know what trade I'm in. You know I'm looking for. If this, I'm in on ES by the way, guys. If this creates an order block here, I'm gonna trail this 5 minute trade to this 5 minute change of state delivery. Right. And you'd also want to look for this 90-minute invalidation on the highs. I know I pointed to that. Like you guys can see my finger on. I'll just show you guys here. Invalidation on all markets, preferably a displacement through, maybe even with a gap. That'd be A plus plus, but or not A plus, plus plus. I'll say A. It'd be A. It'd be nice. But yeah, you guys know what I'm looking for, and know you guys know when I'll be done, and you guys know when I'm gonna stop looking for stuff. So, let's play out. See this 5 minute go. It's good. It creates a 15-minute gap as well. YM is moving and grooving. Jeez. Go YM. My goodness. Moving and grooving. Can you say delivery, please? No? Oh, that's not good. Okay. Wow, I hate how slow my computer is being right now. I'm pretty sure it's the Wi-Fi too. Hello. Okay. Okay, that doesn't look that great to be honest, but okay. I know I'm doing those hand motions. I feel like I'm going crazy. Okay, I like how we're at least creating this 15-minute gap. I don't like how we haven't moved up yet. It would have been nice, but whatever. That's fine. It is what it is. Now we need to close above. If this is a down close candle, we need to close above that wick right there, like that. I put in that. Boom. Something like that. That would be the change of state delivery. And for NQ, something similar, just like this. Right. For YM, like this. Just like that. There's no weak wick mean high probability to be drawn liquidity. Okay, that's something I still need to test out, but in generally it does, because just if you think about it logically, it's always buyers and sellers fighting each other, right? And that's why there's wicks, right? Buyers, sellers going back and forth. If it just displaces so quickly where there's not even a wick, that means there's a bunch of, let's say, like displays upwards, and there's a bunch of buy orders, right? A bunch of people bought there, so much stronger that the sellers can't even create a wick, right? And where there's a lot of orders, you know, liquidity, market likes to eat them up and gobble them up for breakfast. Oh, I just realized there's a 15-minute SMT. Yo, my charts are kind of pissing me off a little bit. I can't lie. Just a little bit. Okay. That's a 15-minute SMT. Or precision candle, not precision swing point. Not a swing point. Nothing has changed, guys. Still break even. Why is it so hot in this room? Let me turn up the. Let's see. There we go. Nice. Nice. There's Asia in all these markets. Oh my goodness, Asia is in another world. That sounds wrong, to be honest. Boom. Top Asia. That's Asia right there. 6. Okay. Should I mark out Asia on YM as well? Maybe. Let me mark it up. Asia on YM is right. Still the same plan, and we still wait. I actually do not really like how YM just kept this open. That's pretty bad, to be honest. I'd wish YM would take up the 90-minute high before it even goes lower to create more SMTs or anything, right? At least. But we'll see. We'll let it play out. Oh, brother. No wick on the 1 minute. Oh, brother. Oh, brother, please. That's a bad boy. Wow. Knock it out. Ideally, next candle taps this and goes higher and creates a order block here. Let's see. Taps this, creates a 1 minute order block. Or we just go higher, but Let's see. I'm doing 1 minute tape reading now. I should probably get off 1 minute though, to be honest. It's not the most fun time. It's not really a fun time, to be honest. But we'll see. To be honest, maybe I'm being too honest. This is not how I want it to go. No, I'm just gonna go down a little more. I was gonna chop down a little more, maybe. Let's see. Just go take it out, bro. Just take it out. Just take it out. We need closure above wicks to see if we're really taking out this liquidity. Let's see. 3 seconds. 9. 19, 18, 16, 15. Let me go chill and chat with the boys. See what they're up to. And gals. Yo.
Yo, Eli.
What's up? What's up?
Don't yell at me.
What'd you do?
I broke the indicator.
Uh-oh.
Ruined it. Ruined everything.
Oh, well, there goes my profitability. It's over.
Ah!
You just ruined my career,
Ow,
man.
Oh.
Do your Sasquatch again.
What
Do
happened to the
Chewbacca.
indicator? Oh, my charts are lagging. Bro.
Did you go for this craziness? Were you in this long?
Yeah, I'm still in this.
Dude, you crazy boy.
It's 5-minute SMTE with it's kind of looking how I expect it to look, but
No, well, it's good.
Yeah, that's sweet.
it's like I don't know. I'm break even, so not too worried about too much.
Yo. Congrats.
Thank you. We'll see if this plays out.
Where are you heading for? Just a footprint up the ladder.
Probably I'll be keeping it on like the equilibrium of the range I drew on the 90-minute, but
Okay.
I kind of entered off guide model, and guide model generally tells me to take it to midnight or Asia, but it's kind of a far way up, so I might just do equilibrium.
Yeah.
If it even goes there.
I mean, we don't have any on the highs, so I could see it like finally making something on the highs, you know?
Yeah.
But
It's possible.
that's-
I just don't like how
I don't
there's
know.
that 90-minute SMT on the highs now, and that we've been bearish overnight. So I feel like I'm trading counter trend, and I probably am. So not a big fan.
True.
Hey, someone's got to do it.
Yeah, who's gonna be the liquidity? Me.
Oh, you break even. What do you care?
Yeah, that's true.
That's right.
There's no true market structure shift for me yet, at least. But I mean, it's pretty much there. Thank you. Hold the lines.
Finally transferred some money into AMP.
Oh, nice. That's pretty exciting.
Yeah. I want to get used to trading it. There's a AMP trading view little thing, so I could trade on trading view, which is nice.
Oh
So
yeah.
that's nice.
I really like how you can drag and drop on AMP. It's like Project X.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You just drag the stop loss, drag the TP. It's pretty nice.
Are you talking on its own platform? They have their own platform?
No, on Trading View.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Cool.
Hey Jake, have you ever heard of Jesse.trade?
No, I haven't.
No? Pretty cool. They do some pretty cool stuff. I'll send you a link.
Okay.
I'm not going to tell you what it is. It could be a virus.
Oh, I love viruses.
Mm-hmm. I figured you would. You're a freak.
You would. Oh. Algo. Have you tried it?
I'm not a programmer. I can't deal with that stuff. I'm
Yes,
not one
you
of the
are.
crazies. I only know how to vibe code.
Vibe coding is a form of coding. Basically, just a manager yelling at AI. No, you idiot! Fix this.
Well, the good thing is I understand how to architect software. So, like for me, vibe coding actually works really well.
That's a huge
But
part.
I can
the
see
greatest.
how like
Yo, what's good, Lords
people
FX?
who think they know how to
Are you
code
guys
just
long?
get
Just
waste
there's a
their time on
90-minute low switch SMT. I already took off.
It's way
I mean, if
more
you're in
frustrating
queue,
for people that don't know how to
you're
code
in
because a lot
profit,
of
so
times it'll do something and then make like
it is a little counter
syntax
trend.
error,
So that's why I'm
like
like keeping very
too
cautious
many
of it.
spaces or something like that when it
And
matters in the language. And then you're like,
Yep.
oh no, can you just not do that? And then they fix it, and then it's like, oh cool, that works now.
Yeah.
it's like, yeah, if there's any indication of price reversing on me, so I'm just looking at this gap right now. If it creates a true market shift lower, I'm just out, and I'd be already out green, so it's fine. But yeah, it's a little counter trend, so it's a little scary, but it's fine.
The Claude is the one I mainly use.
Oh my goodness, are we gonna survive?
Well,
Did anyone
I'm
else
out of my
long?
trade.
You did it? You got in?
I took a bearish unicorn, and it worked out.
Oh, well done.
Dude, heck yeah.
On the 1 minute, Chuck.
Yep.
Good.
Didn't copy trade though, because TradeSyncer said don't use our stuff today.
Oh, fine.
Wait, sorry, did you just swap
Take their
between
word
20
for it then.
accounts?
Yeah.
Actually?
Were you only looking bearish today? Is that why you took that one? Or was it just kind of you saw the unicorn set up and how it was forming?
I saw the unicorn setup. I saw how like price just like it was having a hard time moving up. So I figured it was going to need to grab some liquidity before being able to go up some more, right?
Nice.
I see another potential bullish unicorn, but
Was it the 5-minute one? I tapped into the 950. Oh, that's a 5. I guess it's a 5-minute. Sorry.
Would you literally put your stop at the 1021 high if it did it? Or the 1021 low?
1021. Yeah.
Cool.
That's where I would put it, but I don't know. I just like this. The price action just doesn't seem decisive.
No,
I don't like it.
Wait, let me check.
it's kind of acting like a Monday expansion, like overnight expansion day, which makes sense.
Well, today is
Yeah.
Monday, right?
Yeah.
It's basically.
It was such a nice. Actually, I don't want to speak too soon, but it's kind of a nice,
Can't believe it's
5
already
minute candle,
September.
especially on 10:30. The new 90-minute cycle.
Yuck, would you recommend scaling through Apex at all?
Scaling through Apex.
Yeah, because I know you have how many Apex accounts?
I have 12 now.
Yeah. Is it?
Yeah.
Do you get consistent payouts with them and whatnot? Is that like your main source of payouts? Is Apex?
Yes. Yeah. Personally, like, I don't know. I like Top Step better just because they pay out faster.
Oh, okay.
I don't know about this bullish one.
All right, guys, I'm off. Y'all have a good one.
Where the hell do you
Later,
think you're
okay.
going?
Yeah.
We gotta wait for Ethan.
Yeah, we're still waiting.
Okay.
Have a good one.
He's
Bye.
he's streaming with STB, right? Oh, he's gonna be a bit. Lower. Oh,
Yeah, I think I'm done for the day. I'm not gonna try this bullish one.
I got a
No way.
signal. I got a signal from Ethan. He commented in my chat. Lower time frame market make a buy looks good for higher time frame continuation lower. Signal.
You're not gonna
Let's
tempt
go.
me.
Don't gotta tell me twice. Yoink. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I did not take anything, guys. Chill out. Other than the current log I'm already in.
I don't want to fix this stupid 4-hour chart. I don't want to play in that code.
Nice, please don't no trades for me today. Okay, gotcha.
I gotta fix it.
Just roll back.
It's the stupid. Literally, there's some weird issue with like the day whenever it's a holiday.
What?
It has to do. Thank you. It has to do with I'm not quite sure. I have to check. But I always have issues with finding the correct day because the daily chart doesn't like show it well too.
Yeah.
Like sometimes the daily, yeah, like yesterday, like literally there is no Monday on the daily chart. And so because of that, and since the stupid holiday was on the first day of the month, it still thought we were on the previous month. So it got the current range and then threw it back to the beginning of the previous month. It's like, oh God.
All right, this is my trade.
So it's all correct information, just in the wrong, just at the previous month starting point.
Just create a tech debt ticket, throw it in the backlog, and never get back to it.
Yeah, right.
Exactly.
It'll fix itself next week if I don't do anything.
And then a year from now, your PM is gonna come yelling at you why it never got fixed, and I'm all like, you keep pushing more content when I can't do any of my tech deck tickets, and then it's like it's not his fault, even it's your fault.
It's like my 2 weeks is already in, boss. Sorry.
I just created PTSD for myself.
Self-induced.
We could hear. Yeah, that sounded pretty intense there.
Oh, it's very real.
Yeah, we're
That
kind of
is
getting into detail there.
That is
Oh, I know.
that's not fake information I just gave out.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
That's why you got to find a good PM. Hard to come by.
One of my clients was a software company, and the lady who owned it, her name was Sue. So whenever you're in the office, it's called the Sooniverse because
Oh,
everything
no.
revolves around her. Everything takes 30 minutes, so it's like
Right.
it's like, yeah, but one 30-minute task plus another 30-minute task usually equals an hour. She's like, no, should all take 30 minutes.
No. Nine mothers can make a baby in 1 month.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're thinking.
David, do you ever get PTSD thinking about Slack?
The notifications, Slack notifications.
I've done Slack. I've done Mattermost. They're all the same to me. All PTSD.
Yeah.
My
I
least
was
favorite
on.
thing is getting a Teams call from my PM.
Oh,
I'm just trying to, I'm trying to code my own business, and the PM just calls without texting me, and I'm like, God damn it!
let's bring IRC back.
And then
Yeah.
I answers his question, and then I wonder where was I again, and then it takes me another hour to get back in the zone, and then I get another call, and just get distracted consistently. And then he wonders why nothing gets done. Sorry, more PTSD.
Yeah. I worked this one company I worked at that was trying to do like social media for like video type of thing. They got bought out by this company in LA called Triller, which was essentially like hood TikTok.
I remember that.
And they were a nightmare. Like the CEO of that company was insane. There was like 200 people on a Zoom call of him just literally freaking out on somebody, and then that other person just like quitting the next day. He was like a higher level C executive, and they like, I don't know, he was so egotistical, so insane. But he'd always do that like stuff where it's like, hey, we're family. There's people over at Snapchat that I would know that would die for an opportunity like this. Like talking like
shut
that.
the heck up.
Oh god.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna hop off stream, but you guys know what I'm looking for. If I have no clear indication for lower prices, then I'm not interested in it. For now, I'm still gonna hold. I'm still break even. It is very slow. Like when I'm creating a clean, like when I'm closing, look at this. When I'm closing above these wicks, we're perfectly closing above, and that's not a great sign normally. But I don't have clear indication of lower prices yet, so I'm just gonna stick to this. Once I get clear indication of lower prices, then I'm gonna get out. I might get out for profit. I might get out for stop break even. But whatever it is, we stick to the plan. You guys know the vibes. I'm gonna end the stream now because I'm tired, and you guys know exactly what I'm looking for. There's nothing else to really look for me. I'm hoping for one of these assets to hit equilibrium. That's what I'm generally looking for. Asia is a little bit of a stretch. I can't lie, so I'm gonna even delete it and not confuse people. But yeah, take care, everyone. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think I'll be streaming tomorrow, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. More notifications on the free Discord in the link in bio. So if you guys are like, oh, where are you guys posting that you're going live right now, or things like that, it's just there. So feel free to check it out. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.